This video is brought to you by Speediance. All right, I'm here at CES 2026 at the Speediance booth, and this is one of the setups that stopped me in my tracks. Speediance is showing off their ecosystem this year, but the core of it is the Monster Gym all-in-one smart gym that blends strength training, cardio, and real-time feedback in a way that feels very different than a traditional setup. I spent some time walking through the setup with the team and actually using it and seeing how it responds in the way that you move. So let me show you what makes this interesting. The Monster Gym is the centerpiece of Speediance's lineup, and the first thing you notice when you try it is that it doesn't behave like a normal weight stack. Instead of just setting a fixed resistance and pushing through reps, this system reacts to how you move in real time. As I'm doing a rep, the resistance changes depending on my speed, my control, and even the direction of the movement. When I push faster, it gets heavier. When I slow down, it eases up. That means every rep is being actively shaped by how I'm performing in that moment. One of the biggest differences I felt right away was on my back. With traditional gym equipment, the return of the movement is usually the easiest part. Here, the Monster Gym can apply resistance even as you're coming back, which forces you to stay engaged through the entire motion. You can feel the tension stay in the muscle instead of disappearing halfway through the rep. That's something you normally only get with very controlled training or a personal trainer watching your form. But here, it's built directly into the machine. Another part of the experience is the live feedback. As you move, the system is tracking your reps and showing you whether you're staying balanced or favoring one side. If one arm or one side is doing more of the work, it shows up immediately. That kind of feedback is hard to get in a traditional gym unless someone is standing right next to you correcting your form. Here, it's happening rep by rep automatically, while everything is being recorded in your profile. Over time, that means you're not just lifting, you're actually training with data. You can see consistency, control, and how your strength is changing across workouts. What's especially interesting is how the resistance responds to speed. If you move slowly and in control, the system stays smooth and manageable. But if you try to explode through a rep or push as fast as you can, the Monster Gym pushes back harder. That means it is useful not just for normal training, but also for testing performance. You can push for personal best, see how much power you're generating, and challenge yourself in a way that feels very different from just adding more weight. It's not helping you lift, it's reacting to you, which changes how you approach every rep. Because everything is tracked, the Monster Gym also supports multiple users. Each person can have their own profile, their own data, and their own progress recorded over time. That makes it practical for homes, couples, or anyone sharing the same system without losing their individual stats. Alongside the Monster Gym, Speediance also showed the VeloNix bike, which brings the same connected approach to cardio. It's designed to fit into the same ecosystem, so your workouts, your effort, and your training data will all live in one place instead of being scattered across different devices. Whether you're focusing on strength or endurance, the idea is that everything feeds into the same system, making it easier to track how you're improving. And one of the new things announced here at CES is the Speediance Strap. It's a wearable that adds another layer of tracking and control, especially for users who care about training data and performance metrics. The strap is launching soon in Kickstarter, and it's meant to expand how the Speediance ecosystem works beyond just the machines, bringing more of your movement and activity into the same platform. So whether you're using the Monster Gym for strength, the VeloNix bike for cardio, or the Speediance Strap for tracking, everything here is designed to work together as a single connected training system. After spending some time here at the Speediance booth, the Monster Gym is clearly the centerpiece of what Speediance is building, with smart resistance and real-time feedback that adapt how you move. Alongside that, the VeloNix bike and the newly announced Speediance Strap help round out the ecosystem, especially if you're thinking about training data and versatility. So this was a quick look at the Speediance booth here at CES, but I think it gives a good sense of where Speediance is headed. If you want to learn more about Speediance, I'll have more information in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.